in front of my apartment right now and see all this area right here, uh, which when it rains it collects a lot of water and it attracts mosquitoes. So it just needs to be filled with gravel or something like that. Just filled in with concrete or gravel, but they don't want to do it. And why they don't want to do it? Because that's the Philippines for you. They don't care. They just don't care about filling this area in with gravel to make it better for the people. Can just easier to walk over and not it all be muddy and attract mosquitoes. But yeah, every time I walk here, I have to like go to. There's the dead cat right there covered with dirt. I have to go to this area right here because it's. I could just hop up on the concrete right there and then walk to the apartment, but. I thought that was a subscriber. I was like, yeah, I know, I know. It was just like a screen and it just left too much gaps. But yeah. Hi. Yeah, it's just so you have to order that stuff usually from like Lazada. So if they don't have it at the Mr. Do It Yourself, I'm just gonna order it at the Lazada. But I have to see if they have it. I'm just gonna check the Mr. Do It Yourself, see if they have it. And here's the Mr. Do It Yourself. This is just kind of like newly opened, this place right here. They just opened it like a few months ago. So let's go check inside. Mr. Do It Yourself. It's cool aircon. They have pretty much everything that you need over here. Walking down First Street. Walking down First Street, guys. And this is a little glimpse of what's going on beyond the walking street. And it's about, what time is it right now? It is 6:46 p.m. Oh, they have a little shawarma cart. Peanuts, bunch of food stalls. And over here, Dunkin' Donuts. The Shell station. There's bananas here. Maybe I should get some of these bananas. They're like 60 peso per kilo. Yeah. Can I get a kilo of these? Yeah. That's 1 kilo right there, guys. You can see the one. 60 peso. 60? 60 peso, guys, for that. Yeah, so 60 for these Saba bananas are usually what they go for. I got about 6 bananas. You usually get about 6 or 7. And those regular bananas over here, in like the middle, those usually are more expensive, like 100 peso per kilo. But yeah, it's more expensive over here than getting it at the wet market. Oh yeah, you want to try that the Gin Mart? Yeah, this is a Korean place right next to the McDonald's. So it's right next to the walking street, guys. It's where they sell a bunch of. It's like a big Korean, like 7-Eleven. You know, they have a bunch of. They have like a little bakery here. They have a place where you can get a bunch of noodles, microwave yourself. This whole wall of noodles. That's kind of big here. Those little noodle shops. Yeah, those little noodle shops are kind of big here. Here we have some Korean frozen stuff. Some type of fish, seaweed, dry fish. And then these little hot dogs, pizzas, chicken on a stick, sausages, stuff like that, spices. Got a bunch of kimchi. How much are the beers here?
Just looking for the thing that Rob was telling me about.
Oh, the rice wine. Yeah, they have the rice wine over here. See, I think this is the one. This is the one that Big Joe got right over here. This one.
Yeah, I think that's
This
the one.
rice one. What's the proof on it?
6%.
6% alcohol. It's not bad. One 35 for it. Yeah. I just got out of the gin mart and going to get a rotisserie chicken. Here's a Mercury drug. That's where you can get. You can actually get generic lager there for about 150 pesos. You just have to ask for the lowest price generic one. Here we go. Here's our chicken place. Right here. And I think these chickens are a little bit bigger. They are 290 pesos. And I think they're a little bit bigger than the ones by the Ultra Mega with the lemongrass in them. So we're gonna, I think this is the first time that I'm gonna be getting these, but they do look a little bit bigger.